Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the GPS and making the first choice. Plug it into 12V if battery is low, because constant power avoids mid-route shutdowns. Next, tap the destination field and type the address, paste coordinates, or pick a saved PIN, which speeds things up. Once entered, choose a route type: fastest for time, shortest for distance, or avoid tolls and highways when you need to control cost and stress. Make sure to confirm the start location matches where you actually are before routing. Once the route is loaded, you follow turn-by-turn directions while customizing guidance to suit the drive. You can mute or enable voice prompts, change map orientation from heading up to north up, and zoom so you see upcoming intersections clearly. If traffic appears, let the unit reroute. This avoids delays automatically, or you can manually pick an alternate. Use lane assist and speed alerts to stay safe. These features explain which lane to take and warn you when speed exceeds limits, which reduces sudden maneuvers and tickets. You finish the trip by stopping navigation, saving the route if useful, and clearing recent destinations when privacy matters. If the GPS loses signal, move to an open sky area, restart the device, and confirm the antenna connection. Satellite reception needs clear view. If maps behave oddly, reset preferences first. If problems persist, do a factory reset only after backing up favorites and waypoints. One troubleshooting tip: inconsistent routes often come from outdated maps, so update maps before you travel to avoid unnecessary detours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.